Well, this is our new tour boat. We're doing tours for people that are groups that are 6 or less. It has a 502 carbureted engine. It's got a long belt drive system. The idea of this engine is to have a lower center of gravity and to pretty much drive like a bass boat. Looks like a great day to go airboating, so we'll test this new boat out. We now have 2 airboats, one that holds 10 people comfortably. This one here holds 6, and we have more airboats that we hire when we do larger groups of 20 to 30 people, and if we have parties that are 300 to 400 people, we can do those too. It just takes a little bit longer hour-wise. Overall, this is a beautiful boat. We're not afraid to get it dirty. You can see it's camouflaged. Let's go boating.